in Summerhays. I have a degree in chemical engineering from the University of Utah, and now I work at Genesis Alkali as a process control engineer in the controls group. And I work a lot on the control systems and logic and supporting DCS migrations, new controls installations, and that kind of stuff. It can vary a little bit. A lot of the times I'm working on programming logic, testing it and simulating that, and making sure that the control logic that we're running out in the plant is going to work well before we commission that. Sometimes I'll be supporting with loop checks and actively making sure that everything is working as it's supposed to as we're supporting a project when they're starting up. And I collaborate a lot with my team. We've got a great team here, a lot of experienced engineers that have helped me out a lot as I've been learning this new field. It's been a huge learning and growing opportunity. Especially in process control, there's never a dull moment. There's never a time where I feel like I'm stuck or anything, that I'm not progressing forward. There's always something new to learn, and there's a lot more that I still need to learn. For my degree, I took a class called Process Control, and that's actually what got me interested in this initially. And one of the main things that we learned in there was just the PID, or proportional integral and derivative tuning. And so I just remember doing a few experiments with that during my senior year. That caught my attention a lot, and we do a lot of PID tuning out here as well. And so I think that's probably the biggest thing. Always be willing to learn something new. Humble yourselves in that way. There's a lot to learn about and a lot of really cool stuff. So never stop learning. That's my advice. The thing that I enjoy the most is probably that I know that with all the stuff I'm doing, even though I'm working in an office a lot of the time, I know that I'm supporting a business that is helping improve the quality of lives of other people by producing an essential chemical that everyone uses, from soda ash to sodium bicarbonate and sodium hydroxide. These are things that people really do depend on, so it's good to be a part of that. I do utilize the bus system most days. It's a 40-minute bus drive, and so I'm able to either take a nap or just do some reading. I've got a little kid. I like taking her to the park, meeting with friends, and that kind of stuff. We like to get together with friends and play board games. Like to go to the park, go on hikes, and there's a lot of really beautiful areas around here to do that. So it's a much smaller community, but I really like the community out here. There's a lot more outdoor activity. People are a lot more into hunting here than they are out in Salt Lake, but it's one that I've grown to love in my time here.